5:49. Now, as we get ready to pay tribute to moms this weekend, it's important to recognize her and remind her about the contributions right down to the molecular level. ABC6's Kelly Bates shows us how mom's DNA not only determines some traits, it's also a direct link to the dawn of humanity.
During reproduction, half of a child's DNA comes from their father and half from their mother. However, the child always receives their mitochondrial DNA from their mother. Can't talk about mom without talking about the mitochondria. Yep, the powerhouse of the cell. Although most of our DNA is kept in the nucleus of each cell, mitochondria have their own set of DNA that gets handed down from generation to generation through mom. Because of this, mitochondrial DNA has been proven very useful for tracing genetic lines. Mitochondrial DNA analysis is what determined that humans likely originated in Africa around 200,000 years ago, and were all descended from a common ancestor known as mitochondrial Eve. Mutations of mitochondrial DNA over time have created distinct lineages that continue to evolve as long as there are daughters. Many genetic conditions can be passed along as well through mitochondrial DNA, making it critical to know what's in your family tree.
That's why family history is important. So if you get a family history that on mom's side there's a lot of various types of cancer, you have to think about, or at least talk to your primary care, whether this is something to be worried about.
Mom also gave us our X chromosome. Where females have two X chromosomes, males have an X and a Y. Colorblindness is a recessive trait linked to the X chromosome. Males are especially affected since they do not have another X chromosome to counteract this feature, and it lets the recessive trait become dominant. Moms are also likely to pass along traits like hair color, hair texture, hairline, skin, and even the likelihood of varicose veins. One more way mom has influenced your life is your intelligence. Granted, socioeconomic background and education level are factors, but a study conducted in Scotland discovered the best predictor of intelligence was the mother's IQ. The IQs of the participants of the study scored within 15 points of their mothers. And this all tracks. After all, a mother always knows. In Providence, Kelly Bates, ABC6 News.